Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Please excuse the noise in the background, but it's a fan that's going on, and if I didn't have it on in this very hot weather that we've been having just recently, I would melt. So I hope it doesn't take away from your enjoyment of this video, me having the fan on, but it's desperately needed. This coin that I'm reviewing today is a £2 silver bullion coin. It's from 2022 and it's the third one that I've had this year. The first one was the Little John from the Icon series. The second one was the Maid Marian for 2022, which is the second year that Maid Marian coin has been available in the Icon series. And this is the third one. This here shows, on the reverse, shows the JC portrait of the Queen and the fact that it's a £2 coin. Let me just reverse it up for you without touching it. There we go. This is the 1 ounce fine silver, 0.999 silver Britannia for 2022. In the backgrounds you have like a milled background with two different etching levels, which supposedly is showing the waves on the sea. Britannia is standing rather than sitting as we normally would see her, or on the pre-decimal coins, or it is portrait form that we have on the current £2 standard coin. This one shows Britannia standing with a trident in her right arm, which is outstretched. Her left hand is on the shield, which is down on the ground, and the date underneath on the bottom is 2022, I believe. Yeah. This is a standard bullion Britannia. These are 1 ounce in weight, and they haven't changed. The one that I had last year, it was exactly the same design. Every 2 or 3 years they do a slightly different one, I think it is, but I think the 2 years that I've bought just recently on my bullion, I have a bullion account with the Royal Mint, although I don't use it very often, I have to admit. The one that I did miss out on, so I feel pretty sick about, was the completers one for the Queen's Beasts. I missed out on that one and I feel as sick as a pig about it because it's a lovely coin. However, this is a lovely coin as well. As I say, every few years they do change this Britannia slightly. I've had the same one for the last, I think it's been the last 2 or 3 years. It's been this standing Britannia design. I love it. I actually like this coin very much. What do you think of it? Having seen it and heard that the price is around about 30 quid, whereas if you buy a silver 50p or £2 coin, they're about 60-70 quid. There's a difference, but they're aimed at slightly different markets. The coloured slash 50p's and £2 silver coins and P-aphids are really designed for collectors. This is a bullion coin. That means, what that means is that it's aimed at people who stack silver or gold. And what I mean by that is they buy 10 or 12 coins, 10, 20 coins at a time. They buy them in pots of 10 or pots of 20, 25s, 50s, 100s, and they use it as a way of saving, of being in the buying and selling of precious metals. Although they're not the most valuable way of doing it or the most concise way of perhaps keeping it. However, This coin I'm very happy to have in my collection. What do you think of it? Would you consider buying it as a bullion coin? Let me know in the comments below. That ends the review of this coin. I am trying this year to increase my subscriber up to possibly 100 subscribers by Christmas. That's what I'm aiming for. Whether I hit it or not's a different matter, and very much up to people like yourselves who have yet to subscribe to the channel. If you believe I deserve it, or deserve your subscription, then please subscribe to the channel, and I'd absolutely be delighted to do other coin presentations, banknotes, collectibles and militaria, which is what I tend to show on this channel. So thank you for viewing to the end, and if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one, you find the coins you're looking for. If you are ordering coins, wherever you're getting them from, buying them, I hope you get them for the price that you want to pay. And lastly, if you are, oh sorry, let's try and get that into the right one. I do 4 videos a week on this channel, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. In the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, lastly, thank you for staying till the end of the video, and I hope to see you all again in the not too distant future. Until that time, from me, ta-da, bye bye now, ta-da.